welcome back. Today I'm so excited because I have the exhibition book right here, finally. So yeah, let me open it here. I did join a group order for this because Big Hit decided not to do international shipping, so kind of had to. Oh, and it should be the Times magazine in here too. I completely forgot that. I combined the orders because I had already ordered the Times magazine from them, but it took a while for them to get in. Okay, I finally got it open. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the people that I joined the go from. Totally recommend. They always have really good packaging. Okay. Open. Look at the pretty cover. Wow. This feels like, well, it is an actual book, but like, what is this? Oh, these are the extra ones. Oh my god. Look at Junie. Oh, the quality of these pictures. Junie. That's my man. Look at Yogi. Oh, he looks so soft. Look at Ginny. Twinsies. Wow, why does Hobie look so good here? Jiminy. His orange highlights. Ugh. Tastes so dangerous. Dice little. Jungkook looks so good. I love these. Oh, they look so cute. Look at Hobie and Jin. I know someone's gonna like that. Namjoon. These are the prettiest pictures. Oh my god. Okay, his eyelashes. Oh, we got a whole takeover. Wow. This place looks so pretty. I want to go. Mic drop. Oh, mic drop. Oh, look, that's the wings. I didn't notice that. This is so cute. I saw that basketball and I knew it's Tata. These are the prettiest posters and I want them. The complexion. Wait, why are these pictures so good? This is not fair. Oh, they're so cute. Look at B's hair. That cookie. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, Junie, wait, June. Namjoon. Mr. Namjoon. Hold up. Excuse me? Excuse me. Excuse me? No? Like, how are those two even the same person? Like, oh, you just messed up the whole. How are those two even the same person? I am confused. This boy, like, hold up, that was really creepy. This boy can chill. Oh my god, this is my favorite era. That look. This looks like a scene from a teaser for a K-drama. Like, tell me it doesn't look like it. Oh, he's wet. Oh, he looks so soft there. His puppy eyes. They really use that picture. That's so cute. I missed him. Wow. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jimin. By who? Photo by RM. I love you, Judy. I love you. Oh, photo by Hobie. Wow. Oh, why is this one hard? Are these stickers? Oh my god, I'm never gonna use them, but they're stickers. Wow. Okay, I just got all my fingerprints on them. Wait, this page is so satisfying. Oh my god, I almost ripped it. Oh my god. My heart almost dropped out of my... Wait, these... Oh my god. Wait, this is my favorite thing ever. And I go, oh my god, I love this. Okay, be careful because I feel like I'm gonna rip it. Okay, look. My god, I love this. This concept, I love. Jimin. I really do love this. Like, why does? Oh, it's just the next page. Oh, look at his legs though. Oh, this boy.
Still want you.
Hitting track. Wow, wait, that looks so scary. Jimin's run music video. Jungkook. Jungkook, wait, what? Oh, his little drawings. Youngi's piano. Where's Jin? Do you? Oh, Nobi did this. That's cute. Rhymes, call box. School. Oh, my heart hurts bro so much right now because of the whole VU storyline. Oh, it looks like a piece of art. Like, not even just because it's Jimin, but like, this looks like something you would see in a museum. Oh no, I'm almost done. I'm sad. Oh, look at that. That's a whole baby right there. Okay, damn Jewel. And he's painting.
Take it easy. 천천히 심장을 돌려줘. 그래 조각이 나버린 파편 밀어치러 밟아줘. Made it. 그딴 게 더는 남지 않게 갈기갈기 찢어박혀버린 내 심장을 싹 불태워줘.
Oh, that's it. I'm sad that it's over. Okay. I'm like so sad right now. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
달던 꿈은 깼고 나는 눈을 감아 이게 진짜 너고 이게 진짜 나야